Mike at Wilton Auto and Tire Center at 658 Danbury Road here in Wilton, Connecticut. I just want to tell you about something new we have to make it a little bit easier for after-hours pickup of your vehicle. So right here we have our nice little Napa Auto Care. It's a lockbox basically, and has 4 compartments for you to pick up your keys after hours securely. It's in the same location where everybody's always come at night to drop your car off. A little slot here for the keys to go in after you fill out the envelope. Sorry about the truck noise. But very simply, we're going to give you a 3-digit code and tell you which door 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay? So you're going to do that to turn it to get it to open. You got to set the code, turn it, open it up, grab your keys, put it down. We're going to ask you if you turn it back to the lock position, and then clear the cache here so that nobody else can get in there, okay? So just a nice secure way to be able to pick up your car after hours and make sure that your keys are safe.